Hello. In this business finance lecture, we will be going over study problem 2-6 in page 48 from the 8th edition of our textbook. Here's a view of the problem. Let's highlight some key aspects. The CFO of our company has asked for an approximate answer to the following question. Accordingly, the CFO would like to learn the increase in real purchasing power associated with both 3-month treasury bills and the 30-year treasury bonds. Some facts are also given along the way, and so these are very lengthy. I will just highlight those only. However, the Chief Financial Officer, the CFO, wants also a short explanation should the real purchasing power associated with these two different securities are actually different. Let's think about the real purchasing power. So how to approximate the real purchasing power? Obviously, the difference between the nominal yield and the inflation rate indicates the inferred real interest rate. And in fact, that figure, the inferred real interest rate, can actually serve as an approximation of the increase in real purchasing power over the study period. Let's figure the inferred real interest rate for these two securities. I will go ahead and create a table and calculate those differences on this table. So let me write down the security names first. Securities. There are two securities listed in the problem: the treasury bill, which has a three months maturity, and the treasury bond, which has a longer maturity, obviously a 30-year maturity. The mean nominal yield, so the nominal yield for the treasury bill is 4.34%, whereas the same the nominal rate for the treasury bond is 7.33%. This is also given in the problem. Now, it's also given that the inflation rate is 2.78% across the whole economy. So it will be the same inflation rate for both securities. Now, finally, by looking at the difference between these two variables, we will be able to compute the inferred real rate. So inferred real rate. Okay, so the difference between 4.34% and 2.78% will come out as 1.56%, and the difference between 7.33% and 2.78% ultimately comes out as 4.55%. So we can actually make use of these two figures to approximate the increase in real purchasing power. So, however, as our Chief Financial Officer points out, we need to make an explanation. Why are these different? To be more exact, why is the real purchasing power associated with the treasury bill less than that of the treasury bond? Well, obviously, if you recall our formula, recall what was the nominal rate formula. Nominal rate, the nominal interest, is equal to real risk-free interest plus the inflation risk premium plus the default risk premium plus the maturity premium and the liquidity premium. For these two securities, obviously the default risk and the liquidity risk premium are 0, and the inflation premium is the same and as the real risk-free interest rate. The only thing which is different for these two securities is actually the maturity premium. So, going back to our question, the question of the Chief Financial Officer, The reason we have two different answers here is due to the maturity premium. So it is the maturity premium which can explain these different approximate values for real purchasing power. So that would complete our solution. Hope you enjoyed the video.